What's up guys, Chigs there from Chigs Tech Reviews. So Mobvoi, the makers of the world famous smartphone brand TicWatch, have just dropped a brand new product which no one saw coming. This is Mobvoi's first ever home smart treadmill. It's priced around $399 with some very interesting features, touch control, space saving design, and it even has a built-in Bluetooth speaker system. So of course most of us will be trying to shed those extra COVID pounds, and going out for a walk and jog is all good, but why not continue the action in the comfort of your home whilst watching your favourite movie or TV show? And that will certainly speed up that process of getting fitter quicker. So first of all, inside the box you will find a user manual, a safety cutoff key, power cable. We've got two handlebars which feel quite durable and solid. They're made from plastic and they have this soft coating on it for a better grip. You're also getting a tiny remote control, infrared, a smartphone stand, two oil bottles, and some tools and screws. Now on the side we have a metal latch to help you fold and unfold the treadmill. Next to that we have a physical power button and power socket. Just above that you can see a speaker grill and digital display for your health stats. And at the front of the treadmill you have some small wheels to help you move the treadmill should you need to. So to unfold the treadmill, release the latch, lift the metal frame all the way up slightly forward at an angle, and then lock the latch into place. Next up you will attach the handlebars with the included screws and tools, and you're pretty much ready to go. So the treadmill looks pretty good. It's quite heavy duty, weighing 38 kgs, offers a decent durable build quality with a combination of metal and plastic, but mostly made of metal, and it will give you a slimline space saving design without feeling light and cheap. Now the treadmill can support a maximum user weight of 120 kgs or 256 pounds, so pretty robust design. And you also have this very handy smartphone holder on the front of the treadmill, so you can watch your favorite TV or movie whilst you're working out. Now one cool feature I really like is the built-in Bluetooth speaker, so you can connect with any phone and go ahead and play your favorite music nice and loud on the treadmill's built-in speaker. The treadmill is also quite powerful, giving you speeds from 1 km to 12 km per hour, and that is pretty fast. Now for me personally, I can run at a maximum speed of around 7 and 8, and that feels like a super sprint for me. So 12 kilometers is going to be too fast for my health, so this treadmill offers more than enough power and speed I will ever need. This treadmill has a generous walking area of 40 centimeters wide and it's 100 centimeters in length, so plenty of space for both walking or running. The Mobvoi Home Treadmill is very easy to operate using the mini remote control, or you can use the touch controls to change your speed up and down. And the digital displays on the base shows your time, speed, distance and calories. Now you're not getting any incline options, so just flat walking and running. It's not that loud in operation, you can hear it going, but whilst watching TV it has not disturbed me at all. So $399 for a real space-saving treadmill experience with nice grippy handlebars, built-in Bluetooth speaker, beautiful looking touch control system. It's certainly very well made, robust and premium in build quality. It lets you slow walk, fast walk, jog or even run, all in the comfort of your home. So you don't need to worry about bad weather, you don't need to worry about social distancing, because lockdown is gone but the virus is still lurking. So do play it safe, don't get too comfortable. We don't want to see that virus get back into action, people. Yeah, so definitely consider Mobvoi's brand new smart home treadmill. Now if I get hold of any discount codes, I will leave them in the description box. Meanwhile, I hope you found this video useful. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a brilliant day. I'll see you guys in the next one.